Friends, very good morning to you all. Welcome to Sand Fitness. Today I can teach the basic 7 stretching exercise for relieve your back pain. How can relieve your back pain? Okay. Friends, first stretching cat cow pose. First you can start your both knees under your butt and your both hands directly under your shoulder. Take a long breath and make you belly down. Shoulder roll back and your head comes up towards the ceiling. When you exhale, curve your back upward and let do this. Your hand come down. Repeat the exercise in 40 seconds. Do this exercise very slowly. Second, cobra pose. In this stretching exercise, lie down on your stomach and bend your elbow within your hands beneath your shoulder. Then push your chest up off the ground as far as possible. Hold this position for few seconds. You can do the same exercise in 30 seconds. Each exercise you can do slowly up and slowly down. Slowly up and slowly down. That one, child pose. First, start with your knees and hands on the floor. Put your hands a little forward, bend on your knees. Put your toes together. Take a breath, then exhale and sit back. Try to make your butt touch your heel. Before your heel, make your forehead touch the floor and try to lower your chest. Close on the floor, hold this position. Keep your arms stretched forward. You sit back. Make sure there is no enough space between your shoulder and ears during the exercise. The same exercise you will do 30 seconds. Slowly go down and slowly go up. Fourth one, spinal lumbar twist, left and right. In this exercise, lie on your back. With your legs extended, lift your right leg up and use your left hand to pull your left knees. On the left side, keep your other arms extended to the side of the floor. Hold for few seconds. You can do the same exercise for 30 seconds. Doing the same exercise for other leg also. You can do slowly stretch and your arm side on the floor. Fifth one, seated spinal twist, left and right. Sit and cross your legs on the mat. Put your left hand on your right knees and your right hand behind on the floor. Slowly twist your upper body to the right. Hold it for few seconds. The same exercise doing the alternate side also. You can do the same exercise in 40 seconds. Slowly stretch and slowly steady. Now the sixth one is bridge pose. Lie flat on the floor and lift your hip off the floor. While keeping your back straight, hold this position as long as you can. The bridge exercise. Strengthening the whole abdomen, the lower back and the glutes. You can be doing this exercise for 20 seconds. Slowly up, hold for few seconds and slowly down. Slowly down and slowly up. You can do in this exercise, your abdomen will be strength and your lower back knee will also strengthening. Now the final stretching exercise is knee to chest, stretch left and right. Lie on the floor with your legs extended. Lift your right knee up and grasp it with both hands. Pull your right knee towards your chest as much as you can. while keeping your left leg straight on the floor. Hold this position for few seconds. Doing this exercise, you can normal breathe, inhalation and exhalation. Do this exercise for 20 seconds and you can slowly down and slowly up. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt about this video, please comment in my YouTube channel. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.